Human interest in behavior. Why humans are interested in behavior? Subjects inspire awe and curiosity. Human interest because this is curious to know someone's or some animal which are speechless but we understand them. That is how much this is the best thing, don't you think so? Now, to common people for a year means knowing a common people, like knowing even to your friend, will take more than a year to understand their behavior. All humans observe behavior in daily life. We observe our colleagues, our friend, our family member, our relatives. This is a because we are interested to know the society and then how to deal with them. For example, if some human is walking, we can notice that. If someone talking, we can notice that. Someone is frown means angry, a little less than angry. This will we can notice. A smile, we can notice. Blushing, we can notice. All these are mood of human being. Pet owner distinguish friendly and angry dog. If someone is have pet in their house, they can understand the behavior of dog or cat or any animal they have in their around them. If there is hungry cat, that behave differently. If cat is searching for mat, they will behave differently, make voices differently than other particular day. Farmer know the farm animal behavior, so when they are getting diseased or when they are get sick, they can notice their behavior and act for according to that behavior to protect them or anything. Pets means any pets. What are wrong with me? Okay, detailed study in time consuming. If we do some detailed study on a particular animal, that will time consuming and will have scientific temperament to notice and act according to that particular behavior. Wildlife films. We see so many films which are shotted on wild animals, require hundreds of hours. It doesn't mean it shows in 13 minutes that whole interesting aspect of the wildlife. But that 30 minutes requires so many hours, even thousand of hours take to observe, take to that particular moment to capture in camera. Sometimes particular behavior is playing around, but camera is not working. So there is so many things and so many hours take to record that behavior of 30-minute film. Channel shows such films. We already know which type of channel are there to see these films. There is very famous Discovery Channel, National Geography and BBC Earth. It is new one, I think. But these are the very famous channel for to see this kind of film. BBC produced 2 seasons of Planet Earth. Okay, Planet Earth is the under the production of BBC. Available on YouTube, you can see if you are interested. Interest due to benefit, recreation, and inherent inquisitiveness. Sense of wonder in root of scientific enquiry. This is how you can observe the behavior, and we will learn so many things in upcoming classes. And now in class, need to study animal behavior. Why we need to study animal behavior? Most people come in contact with animal but don't know how to react. Sometimes we react negatively so animal can attack us. But if we know the behavior, then we can make safe environment to ourselves and to their animal. Hunter must know habit of query. Means if someone is hunting, then they should know the particular timing, particular behavior of their prey. Farmer must know farm animal habit to deal with that particular animals. Industry develop after understanding the behavior. If some animal based industry are there, they should know the behavior of their industry animals, like when to cattle breed, how to cattle breed, and what is the best way for them. For the poultry is also considered the same. Piggery means pig rearing. Fishery, where aquatic life or aquatic food will be grow there. Apiculture is about how to honey, how to wax production is happen. Sericulture for silk formation, how to culture, how to care about the silkworm. Knowledge of insect and rodent to help control the crop damage. We can know how to destroy insects safely and rodents to protect our crops. So these all should know the behavior of their city dwellers, like cockroaches, termites, how to remove them. Keep pets in our house and know their behavior is better for to create safe environment. Healthy pet care require behavioral understanding. Healthy pet. If we want our pet should be healthy in our environment, and we get healthy environment too with them, so we know their behavior. People visit zoo and amusement park for knowing their behavior. Sharing world with animal require understanding their ecology and behavior necessary for preservation and management of future generation. For future generation to preserve them, so they can also have access to know what the nature have. Maintain ecological balance during environmental crisis, when there is so many diseases and so many things are going on with environment getting destroyed, so we can save them in not in mess so completely, but somehow we can help if we know the behavior. Why animal behave? Why? Because condition not favorable everywhere on the earth. So the behavior is according to the environment, to adapt that particular environment. Organism adapt. Why? Because they have to survive and be adjusted in upcoming year. So, for example, a bacteria avoid drop of acid. It is a behavior of bacteria to get survive in acidic environment, to avoid acid, to be safe or survive or to be adjust in that particular environment. Amoeba sensitive to positive and negative stimulus. It behaves accordingly. Behavior seen from protozoan to primate means protozoan is very small single cell animal and primates we are the primates. So behavior is seen from that small animal to the large animal. All behave somehow according to environment. Essential for survival. Species will survive. So they have a specific kind of behavior to survive in particular environment. Like male stickleback. For example, we see it build a tubular nest. Means this kind of nest it will build by the grass or weed, help of grass or weeds. Induce female to spawn, and then after making this nest, he will induce female to spawn to give eggs, and then after that spawn, that male will fertilize that egg, and their spawning is occur in this tubular nest. And then after fertilization, it will guard the eggs by swimming around the nest. He will swim around that nest and fan. It will fan with their wings, which is not called wings, they are fins. With the help of fins, it will fan the egg or the tubular nest with the pectoral fin. Pectoral fins are four forward fins, like which are present near the facial area. And this why this act is done, because with the fan it will supply the oxygen and increase fanning. Sometimes the fanning will increase when the oxygen demand rises, when the particular area need oxygen fall down the oxygen availability. That time the fanning, the behavior of doing fanning will be increased, because the particular egg at a particular stage will need a more oxygen, and make extra opening of ventilation. Means this tube's mouth will make that opening wider. That male will help to make that tubular nest mouth wider to get ventilation. And if we remove that male, egg will die, and that die will associate with their survival. So this particular behavior is associated with their survival, for their existence. This is why this behavior is needed. Behavior form for the survival. We will discuss this more topics about the animal behavior in upcoming classes. Okay, bye bye. Take care.